Hey, what's up guys? Dave here with Deranged Off-Road. Today we got a quick little video with the XP 1000 and a Dirt Warriors windshield. We're gonna get this installed. This is the first time I'm looking at it. Garrett picked it up a little bit ago, and I was just noticing the hardware on it is a little different than what I'm used to. They've now gone to these J hooks, which just hook the cage, make it real nice and simple instead of those clamps that go around and you got to try and fish a bolt through there. So let's get this started. Just gonna start by pulling these clamps off of this thing. Don't need those in the way. Just a Phillips head and a little J clamp. That's nice. I like that. I like it a lot. How do you like that? That took me 7 minutes. We've now gone to the quick release on these for your fresh air vents, which is very nice. I like that better. I don't know, guys. Pretty sick. What do you think? 7-minute install, piece of cake. If you had a roof on it, it would probably take a little, a few minutes longer. And that's the next project for this thing. We're gonna do a roof on this, but I may wait until tomorrow before I actually install it. For you, it'll just be like that when I get to it. All right, guys, well, I got you here. I wanted to show you what we're doing for communications in this thing. What we have here is the Cardo PackTalk Edge phones. You've probably seen in previous videos this setup here, which was pretty good. It's good for in-car, that kind of stuff. And I've really enjoyed having these. They're simple to use, just turn them on, they connect, and they're great. They're kind of a little bit clunky. The form factor wasn't quite as good, but check this out. Cardo's got this new setup here that is freaking awesome. I probably can't do it all one-handed. And the container they give you to put these things in is awesome too. So you got this. You have to mount your edge phone in here, and that's kind of difficult. Boom, magnetic. Do that again. Just like that. Freaking awesome. And then the microphone is right here. It's idiot proof. You just click that thing in there. I'm doing it one-handed, so I can't get it all the way in there, but these things adjust a lot. And we've been using them a bit, my wife and I, and they're pretty awesome. They're wireless, hands-free. They say you can get a mile out of these things from rider to rider. We haven't tested that yet. Over-the-air updates, JBL, speakers in there. Sounds really good. 13-hour battery time and a 3-year warranty. Haven't had to test the warranty on any of Cardo's stuff, and we have quite a few of their communicators. So we're gonna give these a shot for quite a while, see how we like these, and give you some feedback on those. But we have 4 of them. We also have 4 of these. I have not tried linking all of these up with all of those to see how that goes. Maybe I'll try that this evening and see what happens. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the PackTalk here. It's pretty freaking cool. You can take calls on it, you can make calls, you can listen to music, you can broadcast your music to everybody that's connected to you. I haven't done it, but they say you can. But it's a really good setup, and it's compact. One of the best things I like about it is no wires, The other communications headsets, you're tethered to a wire. These, you can get out, you can guide your driver on rock obstacles and talk to them. They can hear you. so you can say, no, your other left, no, your other right. You know how it is. So, all right, let's get onto the roof. Okay, guys, in this big old box right here, we got a Tusk aluminum roof. So let's get this pulled out of the box and see what it takes to install this. Oh. All right, so I'm supposed to temporarily put the roof on here to mark out some lines of where the roof goes. And then I put foam tape on top of the roll cage. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, see, we got all the foam tape up. Hopefully you can see that. I gotta start sorting the hardware, see what we got. All right, guys, got the roof all installed. Sorry, it's not like a tutorial on how to do it. It's basically put your adhesive strips on the top, foam strips, and then just put your bolts in. It's really easy. The directions are good. It seems to work okay with the Dirt Warriors windshield. So, not too shabby. The only thing is, I don't know why Dirt Warriors has these notches out. Must be the Polaris roof is something different. They're roof clamps or something. But it is what it is. Here's a little rubber plug I gotta put in those. But hey, she's looking pretty good. The cost of the windshield and the cost of the roof, I don't remember what those were, so I'll have to get those. I'll put them in the video here, and we'll keep a running total on what we're spending on this build. If you didn't watch Garrett's last video, this is kind of a budget build, and we're being totally 100% transparent on what everything costs and what it would cost you to do this same thing. So I guess that's about it. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.